Hi everyone, it's me Josephine and I'll share to you the phrases that you will use at the dental clinic. So, the following magagamit nyo po when you are at the front desk of a dental clinic. Okay, the first one is Kenshin o onegai shimasu. Kenshin o onegai shimasu. I'm here for a checkup. Nandito po ako para magpa-check up. Ha ga itai desu. Masakit ang ngipin. I have a toothache. Ha ga itai desu. I have a toothache. Masakit ang ngipin. Haguki ga shukutsu o shite imasu. Haguki ga shukutsu o shite imasu. My gums are bleeding. Shuketsu pala ito. I'm sorry. Haguki ga shuketsu o shite imasu. My gums are bleeding. Ha ga kakete masu. Ha ga kakete masu. My tooth is chipped. Nabungi. Kakitemas nabungi ang imuhang ngipon. So mao ni imuhang isulti if na bungi imuhang ngipon. Next. Tsumimono no hitotsu ga torimashita. Tsumimono no hitotsu ga torimashita. Hitotsu is one. So kung depende kung pila ka buok ang natanggal sa imuhang fillings sa imuhang ngipon, you will say the numbers. Okay? Hitotsu, tsumimono ga torimashita. Okay, one of my fillings came out. Feeling po. Okay? Next, kuri wa watashi no. Ito po, pinaka-importante po. Especially if you go to dental clinic, you may ask the information clerk if that procedures is covered sa imuhang insurance. Yes, it's very important kasi mahal po ang dental clinic dito po sa Japan. So, you say that in Japanese. Kori wa watashi no hoken ni haitemasu ka? Kori wa watashi no hoken ni haitemasu ka? It means, is this covered under my insurance? Is this covered under my insurance? Kore wa watashi no hoken o haitemasu ka? Yes, I hope you will learn. Actually po, isusulat ko naman po all of what I've said para po mas madali nyo pong maintindihan ang sinasabi ko po. Thank you for watching. Bye!